What is the volume of the water lying in this pipe of radius 2.5 meter? So to find the volume of the water, we have to find the cross-sectional area of the water, right? And then we have to multiply it with the length. So that would be the volume. So what we need to do is, so that's, if that's a circle that we have here, and then that is 4 meter. This is the water. This is 4 meter. That's the center of the circle. So this is the radius. So we need to find the area of the sector. So this would be the sector. And this is the triangle. So sector minus the triangle, we have to find the area of the segment. So this part is what we have to find. That's the water. That would give us the area, the cross-sectional area of the water. Then we'll multiply it with 15 to get the answer. That's the whole point. Let me draw it one more time here so that I know what I'm doing. So if I draw another circle, and that's the water, that's the center. I call the center O, and A and B. OAB is an isosceles triangle because it has two sides as radius, and the base is 4 meters. So that is all 4 meters. So this is 2 and this is 2, and that's the perpendicular. Now to find the area of the sector, I need to find the angle of the sector, and the angle is theta and theta. So angle AOB is twice of theta. Okay, now I do that because it's then convenient for me to work out, because I'm going to do sine theta, and that would be, radius is 2.5. So sine theta would be 2 divided by, would be 2 divided by 2.5. And 2 divided by 2.5, and that equals 0.8. So theta would be sine inverse of 0.8. So that would mean, theta is in degrees, by the way, all this is degrees. So sine inverse of 0.8 would be 53.13. So theta would be 53.13 degrees, and we have to do twice of theta. So twice of theta would be that thing multiplied by 2, so that would give you 106.26, and that's in degree. Now we have to convert it into radians for this purpose. So we know that 180 degrees equals pi radians, or 106.26 degree would be pi out of 180 times 106.26. So that's what I will do, and pi divided by 180 and then multiplied by 106.26, and that gives me 1.85. That 1.85 radians. So that's all the angle. Now we have to find the area of the sector. So we find area of the sector, half times r square. R square is 2.5 times 2.5 times theta is 1.85. So that gives me 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 1.85 equals that divided by 2, and that is 5.78. So that is the area of the sector. Now I have to find the area of the triangle. To find the area of the triangle, I need to find the height. So the height of the triangle is square root of 2.5 square minus 2 square. So that will mean 2.5 is 6.25 minus 4, 2.25, and I have to do the square root of that. And that's the square root, that's 1.5. So I get 1.5 as the height. So the area of the triangle, would be half times base, which is 4, times height, which is 1.5. So that is 2 times 1.5, and that is 3. So therefore, area of the segment, that's the cross-sectional area. So area of the segment, so if I say cross-section area of water, okay, that's what we have to find. So that would be 5.78 minus 3, and that is 2.78 meters square. So therefore the volume would be, volume of the water would be 2.78 multiplied by 15, 2.78 multiplied by 15, and that is equal to 41.7 meter cube, and that's the answer.